This is the HTC Sensation ear speaker replacement guide. First step will be to remove the back battery cover. From there we can remove the battery, SIM card, and memory card. Using a Torx T5 screwdriver, we'll need to remove the 6 screws as shown in the video. With the screws removed, we can now use a safe open pry tool to begin prying the back housing away from the rest of the device. It will be clipped into place, so begin searching for the clips, gliding the safe pry tool around the outside edges. Once the clips are released, you can then remove the back housing from the rest of the device. With the motherboard exposed, we now need to remove one small Phillips screw as shown in the video. Using a pry tool, gently release the covers for the power button and volume button. These will be adhered to the power button flex cable and volume button flex cable. We can then gently remove the power button and volume button away from the housing. On the motherboard, there will be 2 jaw connectors. Gently lift the back clip and remove the flex cables located inside the jaw connector. Gently pull the upper part of the motherboard away from the screen assembly. Be careful as there is still one connector located on the back. Carefully lift the clip holding the touchscreen digitizer in place. The flex cable will actually be adhered to the back of the motherboard. Gently release this adhesive. Now release the clip holding the lower part of the motherboard in place. The full motherboard and flex cable can now be removed. We now have full access to the ear speaker. Use a pry tool to gently lift this ear speaker from the front housing. Notice that the ear speaker will be held in place with adhesive along the outside edges. To replace the ear speaker, simply press the new speaker firmly into the front housing.